day 1, December 16th, 2025.
I think I'm most nervous about my camera falling down during Hope's Joy. I like it for now.
Oh yeah, like your face takes up the whole border.
It's recording.
The other 3 hosts, Mia. Well, it wasn't very stressful. It wasn't.
It's ignored.
Last year, and she took a picture of me and asked me if I was going bald. She took a picture of me while I was sat down in the control room, and then during lunch, she goes up to me and she goes, "Mister, when you were young, did you like crack your head open?" And I was like, "No." Then, "Are you going bald?" Also no, I hope not. It kind of looks like you were going bald. Thank you. That's really
And seeing the beautiful people behind these cameras as well. That's very important.
Yes, of course they
Very
have.
important.
Okay, don't even start.
I learned a lot about the sound mixer. Color coding is important. In a small room, people can get together.
Got this. Latitude.
What's your costume? You the bear?
I mean, some people call me the bear. Well, some people call me the bear, you know, but I'm actually, Look at that.
So what?
I've heard a lot of people call me the bear, but I'm actually from Ratatouille, the chef from Ratatouille. What's under my hat? Oh. Well, it's actually, it's a rat.
That's everything.
Today is day 2. The 17th of December. My role for tomorrow will be gimbal.
Okay, and how much do you like your role?
It's interesting but very scary to let the gimbal fall.
Are we experiencing some technical difficulties with the gimbal here?
It's on the ground.
I'm stage production manager.
And do you like your role?
I love my role. I've been doing it the entire time.
Control room HDMI.
What's your white lie today?
The white line is I am never crippled, because I am crippled most of the time. Almost always.
shouldn't be drinking coffee at your age.
Drink coffee.
I haven't slept in 3 days.
I highly doubt that, Ethan.
I have not. Like a wink, Eden.
Like a wink. Wow.
Guys, spotlight on me. Do I look like a diva?
I'm actually gonna. Or should I go?
If I go, it will be trouble. But if I stay, it will be double.
How are we feeling?
We are feeling hopeful and joyful.
Oh.
Tis the spirit of the season.
Yes, I'm gonna ask you
is
to
all.
consider again that thought.
Because that is here.
That is home. That's it.
Spoilers.
Whoa.
Okay.
We've absolutely ruined your documentary, Cecilia.
We
We're
100%
really sorry.
intentionally. Funny?
Funny.
Funny?
Say hi.
Day 3. Today is the 18th of December.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, how nervous are you for tonight?
Tonight, not too nervous. I was more nervous yesterday.
And if Hope and Joy were a test, what do you think you're gonna get on the Hope and Joy test?
Confident 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Lovely.
Before tonight, on a scale of 1 to 10, 4 or 5 now. It's hard to remember that you are children at some point because you are so technically great at what you do, and without your genuine expertise, a lot of this stuff wouldn't be possible. And especially in the control room, which is where I've been for the past couple of years, some of the people upstairs know how to fix issues that myself and Mr. Carvalho don't know how to fix. We do fix them, but we Google learn a lot more than what they do. So it's always really impressive and what you do every year.
They're discussing something. So many cars. Don't question it, just do it. Yeah, because he has no nose.
What? You see? She said it's.
He's moving. Oh, that's good.
Now I'm doing a little bit more shadowing with Mr. Carvalho. Hopefully by commencement we'll swap places, so I'll be taking more of a leadership role.
Lock in, guys.
Let's just get this over with. Let's get this done.
Let's wrap it up.
Let's wrap this up, baby.
That's